Hey friends, if you wish to restore or reset an HP laptop to factory settings in Windows, then please watch this video. Now these days the thing is that you don't need to go through advanced menu and all. So there is no difference between an HP laptop or a Dell laptop or a Lenovo laptop or anything. The process will remain same for all of these. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select recovery, and then you have this option to reset the PC. Click on reset, select keep my files or remove everything. Now if you keep your files, it will keep your personal files, but it will still remove the apps and reset all settings. So if resetting is all you need, this can work, or else you can choose to remove each and everything from your system including the apps. The next option is to select cloud download or local reinstall. If you select local reinstall, it will not use internet data. It will simply reinstall the local copy. But if there is any issue with the local copy and if you wish to do away with that, then you can select cloud download, but this will need a few GB. So I will suggest that if you're using Wi-Fi, then you can go for cloud download, else the local reinstall is good enough. You can anyway update it later. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.